Greetings, my name is Chef Jimbo Jitsu. I would like to welcome you to my show, JJ's Farmhouse BBQ Video, a Northwest Soul barbecue experience. I would like to thank Brian Knox from the Knox Spice Company for the opportunity to try the world-famous Chipotle barbecue spice. A dry rub. Today we will be cooking up some bacon explosion and variations of the bacon explosion. What is a bacon explosion, you may ask? It is bacon strips weaved into a lattice and then rolled together to form a log. Slow barbecue smoked for 2 to 4 hours. Good. One variation is called the bacon Phatty explosion as seen on Barbecue Pit Boys. Good. It's very easy to make a bacon fatty explosion. Just shape your sausage into a log, cover your sausage in the bacon lattice with Knox Chipotle barbecue rub. I added some Parmesan cheese. You go ahead and add whatever you want. Roll the sausage log inside the bacon weave. It's that simple and easy. Barbecue Pit Boys style. Now here in the Northwest, we like to bump it up a bit, and I've included a chicken jalapeno link in the center of an organic apple sausage roll. You can use whatever sausage you want, just make sure you use Knox Chipotle barbecue spice. JJ's Bacon Fatty Explosion. Some friends made additions and called it Heart Attack on a Stick. After slicing JJ's Bacon Fatty Explosion, bread it with a bit of garlic powder, flour, and Knox Yummy Chicken Spice. Deep fat fry it and skewer it with a stick. That's it, Heart Attack on a Stick, JJ style. Now let's look at some food on the grill. Good.
And those are the bacon fatties, barbecue pit boys style, low and slow. Hams are almost done, turkeys are almost done, everything's almost done. Got about another hour or two on the barbecue. That is the most beautiful tasting rub, Knox Spice. I recommend it for everything. I just love the Chipotle barbecue. Very flavorful. Won't hurt your mouth. Love it. Oh Lord, did we have problems with this one? It appears that Spam is not as big as I thought it was, and well, I had to cut and cut again, and I finally got a small bacon explosion inside of the Spam, so we now have stuffed Spam. There's the insides of the Spam. As you can see, I had to cut twice. And the larger bacon explosions would not fit at all. So we went with the smaller one, not quite the recipe we had intended, and I will adjust it next time. But there it is. Spam stuffed bacon fatty. But BBQ Pit Boys, Smokin' DI, and Knox Spice. I'd like to thank you all for the inspiration.
Alright, here we have the Heart Attack on a Stick. This was an evolution from BBQ Pit Boys, Bacon Fatty Explosion. We put the sausage inside of the bacon explosion, and then we stuffed that inside a span. Later on, we're going to deep fat fry it. And zoom over onto the rub. And once again, the only spice we used was the Chipotle barbecue rub from Knox Spice Company. Thank you very much. You can see a little bit of sausage, bacon wrap, and the span. And it looks like the next one will want to stuff with sausage again to keep it holding in there. Heart Attack on a Stick. This is the Bacon Fatty Barbecue Pit Boys style. Got your sausage inside, your bacon weave. This is your Bacon Fatty Explosion. That's good stuff. That's your jalapeno sausage link, sausage, bacon. Kind of an expanded version on the Bacon Fatty Explosion, but not quite to the Heart Attack level. Mmm.